Missed that, but she's in. Fits like a
glove with no love.
glove with no love.
I like it a lot.
I like it. Uh-huh. And that's the way the cookie crumbles. Back to you, Evan Baxter. I mean, Backstabber. I mean...
Goof. Oh.
Goofs.
All over.
It's not racist.
No. Oh yeah, quick release. Fuck.
If you're quick at it.
I'm not
Trying to get the
quick.
screw hole here.
Johnny, help us out here.
Alright.
Quick
And
release.
This is quick release.
Oh yeah.
And?
Wait, flip it over. Let's see it.
Flip it over. There you go.
Quick release.
One piece wheel.
I'd like to shout out to my girlfriend, who's probably angry at me right now.
Oh, now I can't get it to go back on, bud.
Oh,
This is yours.
now he gone and broke it.
Yep, I definitely broke it.
Alright, stop moving the car.
What a goof. Shake it a little more for him.
I was addicted to the hokey pokey, but I turned myself around.
Really?
Oh,
What was
I see
his
why it
name?
went in. Yeah, so you got some little gears on the back here?
Yeah.
You'll line them up.
Yeah.
No, they're
You'll
high
find
gears,
it.
bro.
You'll find it.
Oh, you went to that much.
There we go. I'm special, you know.
I love you.
Yeah, it happens.
I love you.
Don't tell him that. It'll go to his head.
Give me some head. My girlfriend don't even be.
R-rated, but bleeped out.
Yeah.
Did that just bleep do something? It's Facebook.
What? No, it's not. This is gonna be YouTube.
Oh, good God.
Oh God, goods.
Oh, God, good. See that fucking power drill power right there, buddy?
Oh, and you got to tell everybody
Okay,
they're
good,
all
good, good.
reverse thread, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh, yeah, they're all lefty loosey, tighty righty.
It happens.
Does that work? That's good.
That was pretty funny.
Is that good, boy?
It was good.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, so this is the unit.
You smoke units?
Yeah. Both of them. Same time.
Don't forget to have your cigarette for America.
American.
Woman, stay with me. Cause now you burn your old house down. You can come stay with me.
Back after these messages. And there's the carburetor that's going on it.
Yeah.
Scoops?
What do you call what?
What do you call these things on the hook? You know?
You're getting this on tape, right?
Fucking things with the holes and shit.
What's what called,
No,
Johnny?
Fucking these things. These, you know?
Nostrils?
Oh, sure. We'll go with that.
What do you think they are?
I don't know, I'm baked.
And that's how you drill a hole, redneck style.
The drill right beside you.
Well, you know, it's harder to do things that way,
Guess I could have just.
using the right wires. This is how you measure. So you get a
Well,
shot of
this
Duso's
is how you measure.
crotch here. Sorry, didn't mean to. We don't bleep that out though.
Oh, why would you bleep that out? Oh!
There you go. Doing good. He'll win.
Think it's actually him?
Yeah.
Him and the gray cat.
Back after these messages.
Thank you very much.